Namaste, it's Natalie, and welcome to day 21 out of our 30-day yoga journey. Go ahead and find a mat, and we are going to focus on love. Come to a tall stance. Close your eyes and place your hands over your heart. With your eyes closed, go ahead and open your heart a little bit more and imagine you have a pair of sunglasses that are filled with love and you're seeing through your heart. Breathe in and out of that heart as full as possible. Filling yourself up with love, compassion, and kindness towards yourself. Breathe in and find the moment of self-acceptance. In this practice, let's do everything with love. Walking towards the front of your mat, open your heart up and spread your hands out wide. Send the world a smile and open that heart deep and full. Then bring the hands down, roll back the shoulders and clasp your hands and breathe into your chest all the way. Expanding that heart. Then bend your knees and bring your hands over in the direction of your head. Release a little bit if you can. Hands come towards the lower back, gently round up to this tall stance. Hands come behind your back and a slight back bend, opening the heart. Then go ahead and cross your right leg over your left. Bend from the hips and come down. You can stay here, or if you can come all the way down, find your way there. Releasing into this moment, surrendering fully. Gently coming on up. Shifting your weight to the right leg, crushing your left over the right. Hinge from the hips and down you go. Coming on up all the way. Take your time. Unleash the legs. Hands come to your heart and lean up and back. Then find a chair. Send the weight into the right leg. Step the left leg back. Inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend the elbows like you're cactusing them and lean back. Open yourself up. Making your heart very open. Then clasp your hands behind you, roll back the shoulders and pivot the back foot to warrior. Hinge over the right hip, straighten the right leg and arm comes over in that direction over your head. Then bring the hands back towards the bottom, swoop the arms back up and pivot the foot so both feet face front. Arms come up and cactus the arms again, lean back. Then bring the hands to your heart. Step forward with the left leg. Inhale, lift up and back. Hands come together, shifting your weight to the left leg. Kick the right leg back, both feet face forward. Arms come up, lean back, and then cactus the elbows, opening the heart up. Clasp the arms behind you, roll back the shoulders, pivot the right foot, lean forward, and down you go. You can straighten the left leg if possible, and arms come over in the direction of the head. Hands come towards the back. Come on up, swooping the arms up. Both feet face forward now. Heels come off the ground, the right heel. Lean up and cactus the arms, leaning back again. Deep breath here. Bring your hands together, lean forward, step forward to chair. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, swan dive down or come down however you'd like. Walk it back to a plank. Drop the knees or not, but we're gonna come up all the way. Elbows come in, untuck the toes to cobra. If you can, come to upward facing dog, but you'll want to shift the hands a little bit more back and lift the thighs off the ground if possible. Then gently come down and find your child's pose. Take a moment to surrender to love from the universe. This world is always trying to heal you. That's why wombs try to heal. You are always trying to love yourself and heal yourself. Then walk the fingertips away from you, tuck the toes underneath you, downward facing dog. Dropping your heels down, down, down into the ground. Feel free to walk your dog, dropping one heel down then the other. Then coming down to a tabletop. Inhale, drop the belly, pull the shoulders back, lift the heart, lift the chin, and breathe as much air as you can in. Then exhale, curling the tailbone in, dropping the head and arching the back. As much as possible, lift the highest point of your back up. And inhale, back to cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Finding your tabletop, go ahead and come up on your knees, shoulders back, lean back. Deep breath to your opening of the heart. If you'd like to bring your hands all the way on your ankles, go for it. Deepest breath as possible. Release. Repeat. And then make your way up into your forward fold. Hands together, dropping the head down. Walking the hands away from you, tuck the toes underneath you, finding your downward facing dog. We're going to move through some sun salutations so you can feel the love for your body, warming up everything, moving everything. Shift your gaze to your hands, walk the feet there to a forward fold. Come on up, however you'd like. Reaching up, back and down, hands to the heart. Deep inhale, lift from the base of the spine all the way through the crown of the head. And let go. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, love your body all the way down to the ground to a forward fold. Love your hamstrings, love the movement. Hands up, chest up, heart up. Then find your forward fold. Walk it back into a plank. Chaturanga down, drop the knees if you'd like. Baby or upward facing dog. And child's pose. Coming down to your downward facing dog again. Then forward fold. Hand coming up and back, and hands to your heart. Close your eyes and notice that you are fully worthy. Say, I am to yourself. I am worthy, because you are. Inhale, lift up and back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, baby or upward. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reverse swan dive. Exhale, hands to your heart. Coming down to chair, coming up on the toes if you can. Then dropping the heels, coming down however you can, this is fine. To boat pose. Give yourself some love. Hug yourself, nose towards the knee. And breathe into yourself as much as possible right now. Try that again. Deep inhale and exhale. Then straighten your left leg. Take the right leg over, or you can bend the left leg. Lift up tall and twist over the right shoulder, giving yourself a hug with the left arm. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. From here, you can stay here, or you can try to grab your right foot with your left hand on the outside of the right foot. Kick the left leg straight, right arm goes back and hold. If you want to try compass to find your inner compass, your right arm, I'm going to face this way. Your right arm is going to come through your inside of the right leg, and you're going to go out to the right leg, and you're going to try to kick up. Watch out for the left side. It's really tight usually. Then we're going to go ahead and switch coming out of this. This time the left leg is in front, right leg is back, or you can bend the left leg. Lift up nice, whoops, sorry, just kidding. Right leg down, left leg over, or you can bend the right leg. Lift up tall and give yourself a hug with the left leg and twist. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, twisting over. Staying here if you desire, or right hand on the outside of the left foot. Kicking it out, finding the balance. Wherever you are, find calmness. Bend the left leg, left arm. So I'm going to turn this way so you can see, hopefully better. Left arm comes on the inside of the left leg. You're holding on to the grip the same. You're going to bring the left arm out to the side, and the right arm comes up and over. Don't force it. Love yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Then coming down and out of it. Place the legs out long. Flex the feet. Hinge from the hips. And you can come down if possible. If you have any tension in the back, just lift up and shoulders back and lean forward from your hips. Then walk it on up, shoulders back, engage your quads, and start to notice your feet. Keep everything flexed right now. This is an active pose. And just love your feet for all the places they've taken you, despite what they look like. And love, and I'm sure they're beautiful, and love your calves for protruding you forward, your legs for carrying you all your journey, your hips for going up and around from things, your core for stabilizing you, your spine for allowing you flexibility, your shoulders for the range of motions, your hands for everything you've ever done, your throat for every time you've spoken truth and love, and your mind for how beautifully unique you are. Hands come down. We're going to go ahead and drop it back. Take your time getting there. Elbows go down to the ground. Shoulders are back. Elbows are in. And you lift up and back to fish. If this is too much on your neck, just lift up. You want to arch your back as much as possible here. Arching, arching, arching. Deep breath, opening the heart here. Allowing yourself to be free, be open, and be you. If you want to come down, go ahead and come on down. And you can go into full wheel pose if you'd like to do a deeper heart opener. So if you want to join, you can. If not, please don't try if you don't feel comfortable. Lift up the hips and hold it here. Opening your heart up, up, up. Then wherever you are, gently come down. Bring those knees into your chest, rocking side to side. Cactusing the arms out, placing your feet into angle bound pose, arms out, and just be as you are. Feel yourself receiving love. Imagine that everything in your body is full of love and life. And if there's any hurt or sadness, just love it all anyways. And then go ahead and bring those knees into your chest, rock side to side, and go into any restorative pose that you would like to go into today. And imagine that a blanket of love is just on top of you, that's grounding you in place and hugging you all over. down, go ahead and wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Come on up however you may. And go ahead and just send little hugs all over your body, all around, loving yourself, but this is also good for tactile sensation. Holding yourself, then bring your hands together and know that you are love. You are love in yourself and light and all good things. And you are completely worthy of every love that you desire. Take a deep inhale in and out. May love be with you. Namaste.